Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
For this year 2023 examination, 19,377 students, candidates that appear in the regular category and 18,497 they have cleared this examination. 49 are reserved because of the various reasons and the result is 95.46%. Total 2.8% increase in the higher secondary result of 2023 as against 2022. Comparing with the gender wise, it is boys 9,661, 9,181 passed this examination, giving the pass percentage of 95.03%. Girls 9,716 and passed it is 9,316, whereas the pass percentage is 95.88. So girls, their passing percentage is slightly more than that of boys. We will have a separate pattern for this terminal system. It should be pioneer. One drawback, I would say, that they come to know their terminal marks. So the cases were reported to us that the students they are not ready for second term. Because second term is little bit subjective. So we have also learned a lot of the things. So in the future, we will able to see that our paper for the terminal 1 and paper for terminal 2, they will be in a such a way that it should be a subjective. The first one, MCQ, helps them a lot in answering their competitive examination, because for competitive examination it is only the MCQs that they should know and they should apply to answer those MCQs questions.